had me at hello. 'Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need.
Say happy Vlogster day 7.
Happy
Can you say happy Vlogster?
Happy Vlogster.
Or happy Vida? What? It's a shirt. It's not pajamas. Can you say we're home from dance?
We're home from dance.
And the grocery store.
We are down.
Oh. Hi you guys. So happy Vlogster day 7. I have not picked up the camera or my phone camera at all today.
This one's gonna be for Daddy.
Okay. It's almost 7 o'clock. Ava and I just got home. We had dance. And then we went to the grocery store after dance because I had to get some stuff to make a meat and cheese tray for work tomorrow. And then I got a bunch of like randomness too. So I thought it'd be fun to show you a random grocery haul. What, baby? Yes, I will when I'm done, okay? So this is just a random grocery haul. A lot of it's for the meat and cheese tray, like I said, and then just some random stuff that I picked up. We are having pizza and salad tonight, so I will show you guys that. No particular order. We got some pepperoni. For cheese for my meat and cheese tray, I got marble jack, pepper jack, and mild cheddar. I figured those were the 3 safest options. My coworker said they didn't care. These we did not need, but I wanted. Pizza Pringles, cheddar and sour cream. I know, hang on. For crackers for the meat and cheese tray, I grabbed these Rich and Crisp. These look like the butter crackers, just the Essential Everyday brand. And then I grabbed the Ritz crackers. I got this for Bella. This is puppy ice cream.
Ooh, puppy.
For Bella.
Bella always makes ice.
Yeah, so I thought it'd be kind of fun for her. I never buy that, but I was just feeling like...
Can you tell them Mama my cereal?
Yes, and then, so that's that. And then I found the Honey Nut Scooters or Honey Nut Cheerios on the clearance rack. They have like a little clearance wall hidden in the back. And these were $1.99, and I think probably because of the expiration date, but we'll open them and we'll eat them, right?
Yeah, I can add them on.
And then I got some more milk since I was at the store. I grabbed this milk for myself. This is just the Fairlife fat-free. For the salad tonight, I'm going to do this bacon Thousand Island. I think we're just going to omit the dressing though and just do our own. Ava was wanting some watermelon, so I just grabbed one of those expensive containers of watermelon chunks. I grabbed this ranch for myself. This is light ranch, and obviously whoever else wants to eat it. This is smoked ham and salami and summer sausage. Yep. So those are for the meat and cheese tray. For pizza, I just got these Rising Crust Culinary Circle pizzas. 3 meat and supreme, cheap and easy. Ava and I were hungry after dance, so we grabbed a 3-pack of these Sargento balance breaks, and her and I each had one in the car. And then Ava said this one can be for Daddy, so we'll save that one for Robert. Ava asked for a donut, so I told her she could have a donut for tomorrow's breakfast at Grandpa's. And then they had the bubbly. These were 8 packs for $3.99. And I haven't gotten bubbly in a while, and if you guys have been around on my channel for quite a while, you'll know I went through a kick of like always having like a million flavors of bubbly in the house. So I might have to kickstart that habit again because I love bubbly. But I'm going to throw the pizza in the oven, and then this one needs to take a bath because it's almost bedtime. Woohoo! So, I'm going to put this stuff away and get the pizza in the oven, and then we're going to take a bath.
Can you tell them we're going to hang out?
Well, you tell them. Say, I'm going to hang out with Mommy.
I'm going to hang out with Mommy. I have a tummy ache.
You have a tummy ache? Why? Because you're hungry? Yeah. Bella. Alright, you guys. Thanks for watching my very quick, very random grocery haul. Hopefully you enjoyed today's quick video, and I will be back tomorrow for Vlogster Day 8. Bye!